Hi, welcome back to my channel, According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below. If you're returning, just say hi. I get really excited when I see the messages come through, especially from people that I've already talked to. So thank you, I get really excited about that. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in Dollar Tree DIYs, decorating on a budget, upcycling thrift store products, or hauls from yard sales, things like that. Please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. It lets me get noticed by YouTube and it helps my channel grow, as well as lets me know what kind of videos you want more of. And I think that's about all. If you want to see what I got at the last community yard sale, please stay tuned. And let me just tell you, I got a lot. Let me just tell you. Thank goodness my husband went, because I got so many good things and I needed help carrying it around. This yard sale was huge. I'm talking, it was several communities all bunched together, and I made the mistake of parking the car and then yard sailing and then thinking we were gonna carry everything back. So let me just tell you, my arms were killing me by the time we got back to the car, because him and I were just carrying so many items. And people were actually making comments to us as we were walking by. They were like, oh, you got some good finds. So yeah, next time I know to, when it's a huge community yard sale as big as this one was, I know to take my car and kind of move it along as we moved along. So I learned something at this one. So if you want to see everything I got, get ready, because here we go. Okay. All right, everyone. So the first thing I got was this, I don't know, what would you call it? A wood holder? Let's call it a wood holder. And I believe I paid $2 for this. This is the first thing I got. I got this watering can. It's metal. I like it. I'm gonna upcycle this as well. And I spent, I want to say $3 for this. It was $3. If you see me looking to the side, it's to make sure that all of the items that I'm showing you are in frame, because I know me, and a lot of times I have things like this and I'm like talking about it and then you're like, I can't even see it. So if you see me looking to the side, it's just to make sure that everything's in frame. Okay. All right. Now, I went to a house that the woman was retired. She had her own business with her husband, and it was like for fabrics and different types of threads, things like that they sold. But she sold me so many things at such a bargain rate. It was ridiculous. So my husband and I spent a lot of time at her house. This thing, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm gonna use it as a planter on our front porch. It is very cool, and she gave this to me for free. This was really cool. Free! She gave me these for free as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but hey, they're free. So I got excited. I will find something to do with them. Anything free, I'm happy about. All right, I got this for $1. As you know, if you go to the Dollar Tree, you do not find wreaths this nice and big and substantial. I cleaned this. There were some hot glue pieces on this, but again, I can just use the back. So this here is one of those screens, and I'm so excited about this. So that screen that I got was $15. That's all she charged us for this. So I was really excited about that find. Okay, so my next item that I got was from the woman that gave me the free planter. I spent $1 on this as well, and it's just a wooden tray. The inside's really cool. You can see the striations. Push all these things to the side. You see that is really a nice box, and it's nice and weathered. I like it. What is inside of here was not from that place. it was a game called Bandu by Milton Bradley. And it was in a box, and the box was like falling apart, so I just threw that away and threw them in here. And it has just all different types of wooden pieces. I got that for $1. Now, let me just tell you. So I took it home and I was cleaning everything out of that box, and I found inside a big medication pill. So I wasn't very happy about that. So please, before you give anything to your kids, I know everyone does this, but I'm just putting a message out there. Please look through everything. And it was like prescription medication. So just be careful. Yeah, so I threw that away, but just wanted to let you guys know that. So, and I cleaned everything before. I'm not letting my kids play with it anyway. I was going to use it for crafting, but you know, that's a little scary. All right, so this table that you see here was $15, but the woman gave it to me for $10. And when I was carrying this around, everyone was like, oh my God, I love that table. And it is super heavy and really, really good quality for $10. I mean, can't beat that, right? She gave me a good deal on that. All right, I got this table. I got this tray for, can you see it? 50 cents. I like that, 50 cents, can't beat that. I got this mirror for 50 cents as well. Oh, you can see my camera. The woman who owned the fabric company, she had this yardstick there. It's a really old one and it's kind of weathered and I love it. So I thought I'm gonna just keep it as is and hang it on the wall, I think, because it's really cute. Unless I come up with another option, that's what I'm gonna use for this. It was $1. Okay, so the next thing I got was these candlestick holders. That's plastic up here. I don't know what it is. It's like a resin. So when I looked at these, I saw them and I asked her how much she wanted and she said $2. And I put them back down, and then about 3 minutes later she said, oh, you can take those for $1. So I got $1 for each of these. I have to tell you, like when I go to thrift stores, like if I went to a thrift store, this would probably be like $3 to $4 at my thrift stores. I don't know how yours all are, but I don't always find the best prices at my thrift stores. So $1 for this is a good deal. I think that I always get better deals at yard sales than I do at thrift stores. So I like summer for that reason. Okay. So the next thing I got for $1 was this magazine rack. Pretty big. I'm not going to use it for a magazine rack. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to do something with it. I like it. The item that was what I was most excited to get was this right here. You see this bench? I cannot wait to recycle this bench. Like honestly, like I just wanted to upload this video and I didn't have time because I was away on vacation, and I couldn't wait to show you guys because I cannot wait to refinish this. But first, I need to buy an Orbital Sander. Okay. If anyone knows of a good Orbital Sander or they like theirs, let me know in the comments below, because I'm not going to sand this whole piece by hand. Just not gonna happen. I've seen Orbital Sanders for like 20 bucks. So if those are any good and the inexpensive ones, let me know please in the comments below, because I am looking for an Orbital Sander. The next item I was really excited about was this piece, and I got it for $5. So it's a shelf and it has 3 pegs on it. So I love that piece. All right. This piece I got for $8. They were asking $10, but the guy was nice and he gave it to us for $8. So, and this has nice wood on it. Okay. I'm just gonna keep moving you guys, because if I move this stuff, it's gonna get exhausting. My husband's gonna be happy that I filmed this video because this has been sitting in my downstairs living room forever, like right in the middle of everything. So he wasn't happy with all my stuff everywhere. He's like, when are you gonna upload that new video? When are you gonna show everyone what you got at the community yard sale? He's gonna be happy that I filmed this. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys over there. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Round 2. All right, so the woman who had the fabric business, she gave me these 2 boxes, $1 each. They have some like wood glue or something, or wood filler on that, but I'm just gonna buff that out. I might restain this. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with these yet, but $1 for a wood box. Love them. This I got for 50 cents at one of the houses. So my next thing that I got was this jar. It was $3. It says Baltimore Brewing Company. If you know what this is, let me know in the comments below, because I don't know what this is. I'm assuming something with beer, I'm assuming. I don't know, maybe it ages in here? I don't know, I thought it was really cool. $3, but it came with a quarter inside, and the woman said she thought it was bad luck to take it out. So she gave it to me with the quarter. So it was $3, but really I spent $2.75 because the quarter. She left it in there. It was cute. Do you know how I know if something's a good buy? If I'm walking around with it and then everyone says, oh my gosh, that's so cool. That was this thing. Everyone liked it when I was walking around with it. All right. I have, oh, the woman who had, I know I'm jumping all over the place. I'm sorry about that, but I just have stuff everywhere, so. The woman that was the seamstress company, had the seamstress company, these were spools, I guess, for thread or yarn or something, and I'm going to convert these into something, so you'll have to see what I am going to convert them into, and they were $1 each. And it was interesting because each of the tops were different colors, but I just got these 2. I like them. All right. All right, I got this tin for 50 cents. I think it's cute. 50 cents. These inside here I got for $1 for all 3. They're hooks. They actually spelled out mom, so I got 3 of them. But I'm gonna redo those. Or if you turn it the other way, it can spell wow. Clever, right? But then it wouldn't be a hook anymore. All right, this was 50 cents. There's just another crate. I just love boxes. I like wood things. I like things made of wood. I love rustic and old things. So, all right. This I got, this was $8. They were trying to sell it for $8, but they gave it to me for $5. And I love this a lot. So I think I'm gonna put some, I don't know, cotton maybe in here. I'm not quite sure, but it's really cute. This thing I got for $2, and I'm just gonna put it on my fireplace. I think I'm gonna repaint it, and I don't really know. Are these called squires? Squires? I think. I'm not quite sure. If you know what these are called, let me know. I feel like I don't know what anything is called. This is pottery, by the way. What I'm going to show you now is another find that whenever I was walking around with it, people were like, oh, that's beautiful, that's beautiful. All right. This clock, it still works. So when the woman was, and it has like the felt underneath, when the woman was selling it to me, she sold it to me for $5. When she was selling it to me, she was explaining how to keep the wood grain nice, like to oil it and things like that, and I didn't have the heart to tell her I was going to upcycle this, because I could tell she loved this. I mean, it is pretty like this, but I'm gonna do something. I don't know what yet. who knows, maybe I won't even touch the wood. Whenever I'm crafting, for some unknown reason, time goes really fast. And then I come upstairs and it's like 10 o'clock at night because I just can't keep track of time when I'm having fun. And my last piece I got for $1. They said it's a picnic basket. I'm sure it is, but I loved it. I loved the look of it, and it opens by you pull out this little piece out of both sides, and you pull up this leather, and look how pretty the inside is. I don't know, I might keep it open. So I might keep it open like that. Hold on. I might keep it open like that and put little treasures inside when I display it. All right, so that's everything I got. And I'm going to tell you my favorite is still that bench, and I cannot wait to refinish that. So that's everything. I got a lot of items, and I think my husband calculated it was definitely under $80 for all this stuff. Oh, the bench. I didn't even tell you how much I spent on the bench. The bench, they charged $25. So the white, this was a house where they did the, well, what would you pay for it? What do you think? And I'm like, I don't know. What do you think? And they're like, well, what do you think? And the husband said $20. And I was like, oh yeah, I'll spend 20 on that bench because it's a good solid bench. And the wife was like, oh no, I was thinking 40. And I was like, oh, well, yeah, I didn't really want to spend 40. And then the husband said, okay, how about 25? And then I said, okay, I'll do 25. And then my husband said to me as we walked away, why didn't you say no, I'll do it for 20, because the husband already said 20. But I don't know, I kind of felt bad. I guess I need to bargain better when I go to yard sales. So this was the piece I got most excited about. And I like the watering can too, because I think I can make that look really cute. Okay, so that's my yard sale haul. I hope you liked it. And please stick around for more. I have some more videos coming up, more DIYs I'm really excited about, and I think you will like them. So thank you everyone out there for all your support and coming along with me on this journey. I appreciate it so much. I'm having so much fun doing this. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.